Tom works at a company that prides itself on offering good conditions to its employees. He has a good salary and a positive work environment, but there are still days when he feels extremely tired due to his tasks. Recently, he had to take a week off, but it wasn't exactly a vacation. After suffering from persistent muscle strains, he even had to see a doctor and take a few days off. Tom missed his son's school party. His company began to notice his productivity steadily declining. Luckily, management paid attention and realised the solution was simpler than they thought. Tom's job involved moving heavy loads, and over time, the constant physical strain had exceeded his willpower to contribute to the company's success. In response, the company installed the TENTE E-DRIVE system on Tom's transport cart, who now uses much less force to push the same weight as before. Since then, Tom has no longer experienced pain, hasn't missed a single day of work, and even earned the title of Father of the Year. At the end of the first month, with productivity back on track, the company quickly recovered the cost of the e-drive installation. Revenue increased, workers' health improved, and so did the company's reputation in the market. With e-drive, employees enjoy a better quality of life, companies increase productivity and profitability, and society benefits from a healthier and employed population. Because the e-drive can be adapted for use on different carts, it's always an advantageous investment. With TENTE E-DRIVE solution, you achieve greater efficiency in moving loads while reducing musculoskeletal disorders among employees. TENTE E-DRIVE. Better mobility, better life.